Alright guys, let's talk about this beautiful tool that I purchased today. It's the Rotary tool kit that contains 183 accessories inside it, and it's got a variable speed motor plus a flexible shaft, and it's used for engraving, cutting, sanding and polishing stuff. Um, Actually, I was out in Bunning store. I was going to buy something for my dad, so I found this really nice. I came across this really nice toolkit. It contains lots of creative stuff that you can do by yourself at home, like engraving. Like you can engrave on your own personal belongings, like your keychain, your iPods, your headphones, your hard disks. In my case, I've got lots of things that I really want to engrave my names on. So it's a great tool for customizing things for your friends and even gifts and stuff like that. This toolkit contains these cutting tools as well, then some buffing tools, then it got some cut-off wheels like here, and it's got some metal brushing as well, then some sandstones, then it's got some really nice creative bits like you can see here, and then it also has got some buffs like these are sort of grinding stones as well, and you got these are really nice things that I saw. This is sort of a metal sort of brush surface that would be definitely rotating really fast, and I'll come up with some creative idea how how to use it efficiently and in a creative way. Then yeah, so I'm really excited to start it, and the first thing that I'm gonna do would be engraving some stuff on the back of my iPod, as my last iPod got stolen, sadly. So I would love to have something engraved on my new one, just in case. And I'm sure I'll take care of that in future. Okay, here's where the actual magic begins. This is the actual rotary motor or drill or whatever. So it's really cool, and this finishing is really great, and it's fairly good in its grip as well. So I'm right-handed actually, so but I have to capture take it in my left hand just because I've got the camera in my right hand. And the second thing that's really interesting is to make it more feasible to use is this thing that you put it at the front shaft of your rotary over here, and this way it helps you to be more creative, work with more freedom. You can put any bits at the front of this area, and you can plug it back to the rotary whatever that the main device, and you can start working with these tools. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, and I'm going to start working on it. Alright guys, let me formally introduce myself. I'm Rizwan, and I'm very excited to use this tool for the first time. What I've done so far is I just open it up, and like I said, I was more interested in making some engraving on my belongings to just to see, it gives you more personal feel. Sometimes you can create artwork and sort of stuff. I was always trying to look for something like this, that can give you multiple tool kit options to be more creative sometimes, and I found this luckily multiple tool kit that got almost everything inside it. So what I'll be doing now is I'll engrave something. What I've done is I plugged it in. I've used this tool, and it helped me to tighten these toolkits. And what I've done is I've selected the most, not actually the most, but sort of really fine to needle head sort of engraving plug on it. And it's got different motor variations, so what I'll be preferring is lower speed first. Now let me check it if it works or not. Whoa! See, light is not giving you much shakes, and hopefully it would be steady, because it's like you're holding like a soldering gun sort of thing. So first thing that I'll be using is my old trusty friend that wakes me up every day. Okay, so I'll be engraving my name on it, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'll show you what I've done so far. I'll show you in the camera later, but you can see it's really nice name written on it. So yeah, that's amazing. I'm really impressed with this little tool, and see, you know, what science has done for us. You know, it's just like sort of a do-it-yourself sort of thing, and you can be more creative doing engraving in woods and creating stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. And alright guys, what I've done now is gain more control by attaching these more fine head to the rotary tool. So what I've got now is more control and more flexibility. It's just like you're using a pen. So what you can do now is, with these things attached to it, you can actually attach all of these things on this area. So it gives you more control. So honestly, it gives you like I feel always like, you know, when people say pen is mightier than sword, so it gives you that feel, like it's really is mightier. So let's check it on some of the things. What I'll do is I'll put some name on my 500 gig drive here. So what I'll do is put my table a bit aside. So what I'll be doing is I will be engraving something on this again. So I'll put it on a nice firm place. I'll turn it on like so, and oh wow, it's just rotating like crazy. So what I'll do is I'll write my name here, for example. Yeah, that is just awesome. It's so nice, it's so strong, so smooth. It's fairly easy to customize your things. You can even design stuff on the surface, and I may come up with some cool ideas with these things. So yeah, and I've got my name here. So I got my whole name. This one's here. It's just cool, so nice. That's awesome. Wow. With this control, I mean, like, you cannot get this this much quality and control. See, the name is written really properly. It's a black surface, so maybe it's a bit hard to see, but it has done its job. So I'm really excited. It's really a great product actually. So looking forward to using these nice tools. Wow, so cool, isn't it? So yeah, it's just great. It's just with these metal brushes and the sort of I don't know where to use them. So I'll be trying to be more sort of see the ways, you know, where to use. Some are brushed metal, some are carbide sort of things. So yeah, it's a great thing about Australia. You can find stuff really easily here rather than overseas. Well, like, I always wanted to have something like this, so